We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making smothered Philly cheese cube steak sandwiches. And it's best to use the thin cut cube steak when you're making your sandwiches, or if you do have the thicker ones, you can pound it into about this size right here. Okay, so I'm going to open it up.
Now, we made these last week and we really enjoyed them, didn't we, Marie?
We did. It's a good little sandwich. Hope everyone is having a good day today. It's raining here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the seasoning on it. It's Montreal steak seasoning. Okay. Okay, and now then I'm going to put this teriyaki sauce on it. You just want a few sprinkles. Okay, I'm going to take it over to my pan and I'm going to cook it 2 minutes on each side. Wash my hands. And if it's a little thicker, you may want to cook it just a little longer. Okay. Flip it over. Take it on the other side.
They smelling good, aren't they, Marie?
Yeah, they're smelling like I want to eat them. Okay, my steak is done now, so I'm going to put it in this tray. And now I'm going to take these onions and bell pepper and brown them. Onions always smells good when they're cooking. Okay, so now then I'm going to put some garlic salt on these onions and peppers. then I'm going to put some crushed red pepper. Just going to get a little bit out. We're also going to have some French fries today with this. We were going to have steak fries, but our grocery store didn't have them. So we'll settle for French fries. Sure is smelling good. We're getting a steady rain from the hurricane. Calvin, how did you like this the last time we made these?
Oh, I loved it. I thought it was real good.
I thought you did. That's why you suggested we make them again.
Yeah. And the store that we get ours from, the local Piggly Wiggly, they have some of the best cube steak, and it's always so tender.
Yeah, we get our meat from Piggly Wiggly. Sometimes Walmart has some good meat, but we like our Piggly Wiggly meat. Okay, these are sauteed now. So now I'm going to be putting on my onions and pepper. I guess this little bitty one will be mine.
Well, I can trade with you, Marie, if you want the bigger one.
No, I don't. That's all right. I'll take this one. I believe that's all it's going to hold, don't you?
Pretty full there. You can fill it up as much as you want to.
Okay, I do like peppers. I'll just fill yours up too. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put this mozzarella cheese on it. Mozzarella cheese. Okay. There we go. I'm going to put 2 slices on it. Okay. And if you like this meal, you're really going to like our next one that I'm making. So I'm going to take this over to the toaster oven and I'll brown it up, and then we're going to brown our buns and put it on it, and then have a nice sandwich. Okay, they're just came out of the toaster oven. And so I'll put let me get a fork. Slide it right in. Okay. Okay. This is tricky, y'all. Okay. There we go. Okay, there's that one. So I'll move this part over here and get this one. Okay, there we go. Now then I'm going to put this on here like this. Now then I'm going to cut sandwiches. Look at that goodness. Now I'll cut this one. Look at how good that looks. Okay, so now I'm going to put some steak fries in here. I wish, but French fries. Okay. Just going to use my hands and plop them on there. Put a little ketchup on them. Some people like mayonnaise on their French fries. Me and Kevin are ketchup people. Okay. This is our evening meal today, and so we're going to go taste it, and when we come back, we'll give you our review on it. Hi y'all, we're back, and so I'm going to ask Mr. Calvin how he liked the smothered Philly cheese steak sandwich.
I liked it, Marie.
I did too, but that teriyaki sauce gives it a little, it makes it have a little salty taste. So y'all don't salt y'all's cube steak when you make it.
And don't put too much teriyaki on it.
Yeah, but so I'm gonna give mine a 4.9.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and give yours a 5, Marie. It was very good.
Yeah.
Okay, I enjoyed it very much. The peppers, you sauteed your peppers and made them taste a little better than what I did when I cooked them last week.
I would have given it a 5, but I tell you why I didn't. Because I give myself too many 5s.
Well, I'm gonna give it a 5 stars. Okay, it was very good. I love the way that cheese melts and just runs all down into it, and that is a good, quick, easy way to make a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And I think what I like best about it is the cube steak is so tender. Most of you know I do have dentures, and I can eat that cube steak Philly sandwich with no problems at all.
Yeah, when it's cut thin like that, it really does make a good one.
And when I get a Philly sandwich that's got the thicker pieces of meat, it's hard for me to eat them.
But the secret is when y'all make this, if you use that teriyaki sauce, don't put too much. And don't put no salt on it.
Okay, so I'm going to give it 5 stars, Marie.
Okay.
And what are you going to give it?
I'll give it a 5 too.
5 stars for Marie. Okay.
So I hope y'all all are having an amazing day today. We're having a rainy day today, but it's still amazing. Anyway, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all on our next video. Bye.
For something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me. Trust you